Opportunities do not happen, we create them. Good morning, respected GTO sir and my friends. Today I choose a topic that is Quad. Quad is a informal group of four countries. One is USA, Australia, India, and Japan. These four countries are making Quad. If we talk about the history of the Quad, it's created in 2017. And now, if we talk about what was the reason to create the Quad, the first reason is that to mitigate the influence of any country into the Indo-Pacific, Quad created. We can say that we can also say that the influence of the China in the South China Sea, and also influence of the China into the Indian Ocean. So because of that, Quad created. Also we can say that the countries which is in the ASEAN, for example, Japan, Taiwan, Philippines, and the other countries, Brunei. So these countries are basically facing the threat given by the China on the in the South China Sea. So counter those threat it's created. And now if we talk about what is the present status in 2017 17 to 20, only the Malabar exercise held between the Japan, India, and US. Australia was not joining Malabar exercise. In 2020, first time Australia joined and make Quad complete. Now, if we talk about what are the other things in the Quad, the one thing is that in the COVID-19 in 2021, India, these four countries did the meeting virtually, and India distributed 1.2 billion COVID-19 doses to COVID-19 vaccine to all the countries globally. And if we talk about we also discuss on the Afghanistan issues, and also every year there is one program called Quad Fellowship Program, in which all the countries send 100 students to the USA, in which they study the mainly four subjects, that is STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So they go there and study these subjects. Now if we talk about what are the challenges we have, basically if we talk about the global challenges, we have the terrorism, we can say that the trade, agriculture, climate change, infrastructure development, green energy, and sustainable development. These type of issues we are majorly facing. So these issues we are discussing in the Quad. And besides this, we have another challenge. For example, India is a member of the SU and BRICS. So we have to make a relation with Russia also good. We have to make a relation with China also good, and also we have to make good relation with USA. So basically, when we join Quad, so our long time ally is tilting towards all time ally means we are talking about the friendly countries, that is Russia is tilting towards the China. This is one very much bigger challenge. And also the second thing is that the annual meeting of the Quad did not happen every year, and also we have seen that there is no enforcement mechanism in the Quad. So I believe that if all the countries will work together, definitely we will grow. The in my solution, what we can do is that basically in the Quad countries we are very much capable of doing things. For example, in the COVID-19, if we have to develop the doses, so US is very good in the funding. We can say that Japan and Australia is good in the technology, and India is very much good in the manpower. For example, we have 60% of youth in India. So almost India can develop be a manufacturing hub. And this is the one solution. Second thing is that we need to expand the Quad. Basically Quad is only four countries, so we can invite our friendly countries, for example Indo-Pacific countries, for example Indonesia, Singapore, these type of countries we should include in the Quad, so that Quad importance grow. The third thing is that we need to explain the whole world what is Quad and why it is formed. It is not a military alliance, it is not nothing else. It is just an informal group in which we wanted to counter the influence, mitigate the influence in the Indo-Pacific Sea. And now what are the other things say? Basically it's Quad is a platform. India gets this much platform. We can maintain our good relation with our friendly countries, for example Japan, Australia, and UK. And also we can convince these countries against the zero terrorism. We can say that Pakistan is supporting the terrorism, and we can also enhance our infrastructure development and the other things with these countries. So I hope that in the future the Quad becomes successful. That's all. Thank you everyone.